Welcome to
Davao Crocodile Mall! Yay!
yung entrance fee, daily show schedule. You can pause the video. It's a real life capybara. It's an iguana. Hi there! It's a very big capybara. I'm here with my good friend, Mr. Rap Rap Vista, all the way from South Korea. My friend right here, this from North Korea. Wow! So guys, it's a young kangaroo. It's a turtle. Hala! These are the turtles here and the arapaima. And that's a tortoise right there. Don't put them in the water because they will drown. They are land-dwelling. They're not amphibious as what my others think. And this is one of the attractions. This is the cassowary. Kas. Kailakas. Nang biya buhok. Basi, pariusin mo buhok. Nan. Kas. Oh. I finally found my long lost brother. Brad. Bro. Where you see your sister here, oh? Same hair, oh.
Same hair.
Ay, oh. Sino na sa?
Miga na mo din.
Migyan niyo. Diba?
Kamu na snake mo. Or crocodile.
You try, be. Talking to them. You talk. Another cassowary. Kus.
Kas, basta.
Kus.
Kas.
Kus. Swabe do aircon gida kasaw. Katol kas. May cream ka din. Oh, daghan turtle ba?
Uy, lama, wish you may queens ka mo lang.
They're very small crocs. Yung crocodile guys. A lot. Mga juvie pa ni juvenile crocodiles pa ni. Oh, diyan ikakapat dyan. Kaya na, kaya. Hindi na magano. Gator right there. Ah, no. It's crocodile pala.
What's the difference of
Dagdag
alligator
lang, no?
and crocodile?
May stairs pa sa tabi so that you could see the top view of the oh my, those are big. Ang laki. perfectly camouflaged in moss. The big crocs here. I think that's the biggest. Oh. I don't know, there might be more than 20 to 30 ata. These are crocodiles. Pag nahulog itong camera mo guys, wag na. Wag mong subukan. Masisira yung ulo mo. So naapag mas bako, diriyo. Indo-Pacific. Indo-Pacific crocodile. And these are the Indo-Pacific crocodiles. Tamo gid buaya, ya mo sing lik. Ako gid yo. Indo-Pacific crocodile. Crested cockatoo. Sulfur crested cockatoo. Guys, that's a zebra. Damo sa mga bukal.
Hawak mo.
Flying fox ni. What the? Fucking shit. Tiger part? That's a tiger. Oh, God. Bakit? Oh, my God. Tiger na guys. Macam milik eh. Yeah. Kita mo na guys. Feeding
Jai,
experience.
ikaw, Jai, dali, Jai. Sampulan na yung sita. Sampulan na yung sita. Sampul. Alam mo rin sa kamot.
Sabi niya, gusto ko ito ay nasulat.
This is my friend, the fish whisperer. As you can see. That's
Para na sila.
Para na sila, oh.
guys, pwede man di ka ostrich feeding ba?
Ay, si Jai, Ro. Si Jai. Ano yung Jai, oh?
Jai ko be?
Ako ba na? Si Jai, Ro. Jai, Ro lang sa sila. Smile, San. Smile. San. San daw sa.
Nice.
Ano pa, Pete? Ikaw, you want? Sige, naiputang na kamot mo ay.
This is my friend from South Korea. Ayo! Kim Dong-hu. May lion man din sila guys ito. Kung kita lion. Female lion siguro. Big cats spray with their urine. The bear cat. Hello, bear cat. This is where they do their shows. May food man din sila guys. Souvenirs, food, refreshments. May civet coffee. May Mount Apple coffee. Gonna go and eat here. Riverwalk, exotic resto grill. We're gonna try some croco sisig. They have chicken barbecue, but they also have sizzling crocodile sisig, speech crocodile, sizzling crocodile steak. Crocodile sisig. Sama na siya guys sa crocodile sisig. Try ito there. Manok na baboy.
It's ostrich ice cream.
What's that?
Ostrich ice cream.
What does it taste? Is it good?
Birch tree.